Okay, so today I'm gonna show you an amazing class I wrote for handling regex, regular expressions. It's called the RegexUtil, and it's part of the living firmware artificial general intelligence software design pattern. Currently I'm translating the project to the Swift language. Anyways, so here I declare a RegexUtil class, and it's gonna handle some regexes. I'm gonna show you that it works first. Okay, so see here, for example, it extracts the email addresses. It returns it as an array list, so you get all the email addresses. There's also a function to get the first one. Here, for example, it gets the number, whether it's a number in integer or a double. Here we have a point. It returns it as a point. It displays the y value. Here we can see it in the console. Here it gets the word that starts with so command. Here we can see it under the 6.4. It gets IP addresses, it gets integers. It can return them as a string or as integers. Same case with doubles. It gets URLs, it gets domains, it gets word between other words, it gets the words that repeat themselves. Like here you see Hadoken, it repeats itself, so you can get the Hadoken or cancel out repeating words. Where is it? It's one of these. You see it cancel the repeating word. Let's take a look at what this class has to offer, the capabilities. Okay, we have an enum for most of what it can do. Email, timestamps. Okay, it's like you want the time like 10:38, shit like that. Integer, double, repeated word, phone, tracking ID, IPv4. Okay, it's like IP addresses. Okay, domains, numbers, timestamps without the seconds, full dates. Here we can see the regexes, the regex grimoire, which it uses. Okay, but you can see there's functions where you can send your own regex regular expressions. You put it here. Okay, this function returns all the results. We have a function for returning the first result. In this function you send it an enum. Let's take a look. Like here, instead of sending the regex itself, I can simply choose the regex using the enum. So here I chose a domain, and it returns all the URLs. Okay, and let's take a look. Extract all regex results, we just talked about it. Regex checker here, instead of the preset enum, you can send your own regex your own custom regex. Okay, you can take a look at this regexes, study them, and learn a lot about how regexes work. But for your common uses, this should suffice. What else do we have here? We have a point regex. Okay, it returns this this type, which I wrote. It's basically just a point with an XY attributes. In one case they are integers, in one case they are double. So it returns it as a point. I think I'll show you those classes in a bit. The timestamp. Okay, so basically you can send it with the enum regex for the timestamp with this function. Okay, or you can simply write use this function, right? And you don't even have to input the regex or the regex enum, so it's just a different way to summon it, and it returns all the timestamps. Okay, same case for number, integer, double, repeated words. Different kinds of phone numbers. Oh, this is an interesting one. It returns this format of names, first name and last name, right? So you can get names, like you have a list of names, and then the other stuff that isn't connected to what you're searching, so it would extract the names from this the pile of string or whatever. It's very useful for AIs, for artificial intelligence waifu bots. Okay, I'm the best programmer in the. I'm a battle programmer. Okay, I'm the best programmer in the world. Okay. Regexes that ends with certain expressions. Okay, so like you want verbs, for example, you would send ing as a string, and it return like cooking, fighting, eating, and the other words like popsicle, it wouldn't return. Okay, the IP version of the function. Okay, URL. Oh, what's here? First word. I know it's like there's a string. It will return the first word. Nice touch up. And yeah. So let's show you the point class. It's very simple. Jump to definition. Okay, XY. That's it. XY. There's also a function here to get the distance between the 2 points. Nice touch up. Outside the scope of the regex class, there's lots of cool classes here. Okay. Like this is a time gate. It's a boolean gate that opens for a set amount of time. With all sorts of stuff here. This is amazing. Okay, the regex class should be available when I finish translating the project. Currently, it's the project, the WaifuBot Artificial General Intelligence software design pattern. For it's true artificial intelligence, the most powerful. Okay, it's currently in Python. It's available in Python and Java and Kotlin, and I'm working on it to be on Swift as well. Okay, that's how much of the powerful programmer, the best in the universe I am. Okay. I really am. And this is how people should program this software design part, the living grimoire, okay. It enables to add skills to an AI using one line of code, like in the Matrix, you know, where Neo learned Kung Fu using like one line of code. You can add skills like this, like how to fly a plane or whatever. This is the future. This is the future. Stop rejecting the future. Dumb sons of bitches, can't normies, okay? Okay? The future is here in your face. And this is sample. It's like the tip of the iceberg, okay? RegexUtil. It's called RegexUtil, okay? This is how you summon the monster. This is how you summon the magic spell card, okay? Yu-Gi-Oh! Okay? Regex. You let regex 2 points. RegexUtil equals RegexUtil in the brackets, okay? And that's it. That's it. The power is in the hand, Megazord, okay? Okay? So that's how the cookie crumbles. This is how. Thank you for watching. Well, how do I finish the video? What the fuck? The fuck? Ah, here it is.